there's a fair chance you have this lock built into your suitcase. I don't recommend using it, even though it's probably there, because it's a TSA lock. Locked. Unlocked. Yep. Very disappointing. But let's decode it. Wait, I forgot the style binds first. It's kind of painful to tension. You might see my fingers start turning white. Okay, that might be 4. Oh, there we go, 028. Let's change that again and hurt my finger again. Okay. So again, my finger's gonna start turning white. It's already white. And it we were literally one number off. Last time it was 028, now it's 027. Oh my god, that's so rare.